Well, a big congratulations to a Nobel Prize-winning scientist with Portland roots. Mary Brunkow is one of 3 scientists who are sharing this year's Nobel Prize in Medicine. Brunkow graduated from St. Mary's in downtown Portland in 1979 and now works for the Institute for Systems Biology in Seattle. She, along with 2 others, were recognized for uncovering a key pathway the body uses to keep the immune system in check, called peripheral immune tolerance. That research becoming critical in understanding autoimmune diseases.
There's an awful lot of diseases and different conditions that are impacted by either too much immune reaction or not enough. And just understanding, key players in the regulation of the immune system are, makes a huge contribution to the field in general.
The research began with a different scientist in Japan back in 1995, with a breakthrough from Brunkow here in the States in 2001, when she and another scientist were investigating mice with an autoimmune disease. They figured out a particular mutation in a single gene was to blame and realized that was what they were seeing in mice could translate to human health as well.
From the DNA level, it was a really small alteration that caused, this massive change to how the immune system works, which would indicate that the whatever it was that was disrupted was a pretty key player in how the immune system works.
2 years later, the Japanese scientist linked Brunkow's discoveries with his own, showing that the one gene controls the development of specific cells that can sort of claim the overactive cells causing autoimmune diseases. Now, their collective work is being used to help find better treatments for things like type 1 diabetes, arthritis, and lupus, potentially replacing current autoimmune therapies that suppress the immune system, leaving patients vulnerable to infection. Brunkow and the 2 others will share the prize money of nearly $1.2 million. We're back right after this.